Mental Math Addition is a Level 2 numbers treatment in the Tactus Virtual Rehab Center. This treatment works on adding numbers together using working memory. Before starting the treatment, you will be asked to predict how difficult the treatment will be and why. Select up to 3 strategies to help you succeed. At the end of the treatment, you will be asked to reflect on how well the strategies worked and what you might do next time. This metacognitive feature will help you understand what works best for you. You will see an addition problem. Type in the sum using the on-screen keyboard or your physical keyboard if you're using a computer. Submit your answer for feedback using the button in the lower right corner or by pressing Enter. Use the Words button without penalty to see the written number word and hear the spoken number.
5 1
Use the hint for a visual cue to help you add the numbers. There are 14 levels that auto-adjust in difficulty based on performance. The clinician can use a level selector in the SLP toolbar to select a specific level. Here's an example of what you'll see at the highest level. Thanks for exploring the Tactus Virtual Rehab Center.